In Feng Shui, harmony is everything. At the heart of this ancient practice are the 5 elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. These aren't just physical substances, they're symbolic energies that shape the flow of life, our emotions, and the balance of our homes. When they work together, life feels effortless. When one dominates or is missing, stress and imbalance often follow. Let's start with wood. Wood is the element of growth, expansion, and vitality. It represents spring, renewal, and creativity. In your home, wood energy is strengthened through plants, fresh flowers, and wooden furniture. Too much wood can feel overwhelming, while too little may leave you feeling stagnant or uninspired. A balanced presence of wood invites growth and fresh beginnings. Next is fire, the element of passion, transformation, and visibility. Fire fuels excitement, motivation, and joy. You can bring fire energy into your space through candles, lights, triangular shapes, or even warm colors like red and orange. But balance is key. Too much fire can cause burnout and conflict, while too little can leave you lacking drive. Properly balanced, fire brings passion and confidence to your daily life. The third element is earth, the stabilizer. Earth represents grounding, security, and nourishment. It's tied to late summer and the center of balance. You can enhance earth energy through ceramics, clay, crystals, or colors like beige and yellow. Too much earth may cause feelings of heaviness or resistance to change, but without enough, you may feel unstable or unsupported. Balanced earth energy gives you the foundation you need to feel safe and at peace. Then we have metal, the element of clarity, precision, and discipline. Metal brings focus and structure to your environment. You'll find its energy in objects made of steel, gold, silver, or round shapes. White and metallic colors also amplify its power. Too much metal can feel rigid and cold, while too little may cause disorganization or lack of boundaries. Balanced metal energy helps sharpen the mind and bring order to chaos. Finally, there is water, the element of flow, wisdom, and intuition. Water symbolizes winter, depth, and the unknown. It moves gently but powerfully, representing flexibility and the ability to adapt. In your space, water energy is brought in with fountains, mirrors, wavy shapes, or deep colors like blue and black. Too much water can feel overwhelming or heavy, while too little may dry up creativity and emotional connection. Balance water and you'll invite calm, clarity, and wisdom into your life. Together, these 5 elements form a cycle of creation and control. Wood fuels fire. Fire creates earth through ash. Earth produces metal, metal enriches water, and water nourishes wood. This cycle shows us how each element supports the next, creating continuous balance. But there's also a control cycle where elements keep each other in check. Too much of one energy can be softened or balanced by the power of another. In Feng Shui, the art lies in recognizing what's missing or excessive in your home or your life, and then using these elements to restore harmony. A plant in the corner may spark creativity. A candle on your desk may ignite focus. A crystal in your living room may bring grounding energy. Every adjustment, however small, shifts the flow of qi. The 5 elements remind us that we are part of nature's rhythm, and by aligning our spaces with these forces, we invite balance not only into our homes but into our bodies, minds, and spirits. Balance the elements and you balance your life.